Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach files in Google Docs step by step. While Google Docs doesn't allow you to directly attach files like an email, you can easily add files from Google Drive or insert links to files within your document. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs and open the document where you want to add a file. Next, place your cursor where you want the file reference to appear. Now, click Insert in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, hover over Smart Chips and then select File. A search box will appear. Here you can search for a file stored in Google Drive. Start typing the name of the file you want to attach. Once you see the correct file, click on it. Google Docs will insert a smart chip containing the file name. Anyone with access to the document can click the smart chip to open the attached file. Another way to add a file is by copying the file link from Google Drive. Open Google Drive, locate the file, right-click it, and select Get Link. Copy the link, then return to Google Docs and paste the link into your document. Google Docs may automatically convert the link into a smart chip for easier access. Before sharing your document, make sure the file permissions are configured correctly. If recipients don't have permission to access the file, they'll see an access request message. You can adjust permissions by opening the file in Google Drive, clicking Share, and selecting the appropriate access level. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file in Google Docs using Smart Chips and Google Drive links. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.